Okay, so this question was a good old-fashioned, in my opinion, sixth grade question. It gives you a scenario, and you have to figure out, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to be adding these, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? So let's just read it for what it is. It says Alice needs 2.25 yards of fabric. The store sells the fabric in bundles. So you have to buy bundles of 3/4 of a yard. So then it's asking how many bundles does she need to buy in order to have enough fabric. Okay, so to me this is the sixth grade question. So what they're telling you is you have the total amount. She needs 2.25 yards. It comes in groups of 3/4 yard in each group, and they want to know how many groups do you need to buy, how many bundles or how many groups do you need. This is a division question. It's division. So what you were supposed to do, so you have the total amount divided by a number in each group. That'll let you know number of groups. Okay, so it's division. So luckily they gave you the information all in yards. I can see the people trying to give you some in yards and some in inches. I can see that being like a trick, but they did not trick you this time. They kept it all in yards. The trick this time was they gave you a decimal and then they gave you a fraction. So it's like, how do I do this? So what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to turn this into a fraction. So then you have a fraction and a fraction. So that was the trick. So if you turn it into a fraction, 2 wholes and 25 parts, it's the same as 2 1/4. Okay, hopefully you recognize 0.25 as 1/4. So 2 wholes and 1/4. Okay, that's still hard to do because this is a mixed number divided by a proper fraction. So then you have to turn it into an improper. Okay, improper is 2 times 4 is 8 plus the 1 is 9. 9/4. Okay, divided by 3/4. Okay, so now we finally went from 2.25, 2 1/4, 9/4. Now we can finally divide. So how do you divide fractions? Keep, change, flip. So keep, change, flip, multiply. The answer is 36/12. You could have put 36/12, or you could have simplified it and put a 3. So either answer is correct. But keep, change, flip is what you were supposed to do after you realized that this was a division problem. I can see this being an issue for some people. This is 5th grade, going from a decimal to a mix to an improper. That's difficult. Maybe 6th grade. All in all, this was pretty much a 6th grade question. But the answer was 3.